Student, today we're going to start the question based on graph. So here is the question: draw the graph of the equation. Two equations are given. Number first is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and another is 2x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Both the equations are linear equation into variable. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. So first of all, we have to draw the graph, then we have to identify the coordinates of the triangle formed by the line and the x-axis. So let us first draw the graph. So before drawing the graph, first of all, we have to find the value of x and y in both the equations. This is the first equation, this is second equation. Let us first find the value of x. If we transpose y to the another side, it will move with plus sign, and plus 1 move to the minus. And here let us find the value of y 3x. This will be equal to 12 minus 2y, and x3 will move to the division. So let us take the values. Domain we are taking, this is called domain, in which we are going to put the values. Two values we are finding. Let us first take the value of x equal to 0. Okay, if we take the value x equal to 0, then on transposing y, this will become 0, and we're going to transpose minus 1 to the another side, so this will give y is equal to 1. Next, let us take the value of y equal to 0. If we take the value of y equal to 0, then after putting it 0, it will give minus 1, x equal to 1. Here we put 0, so 0 means nothing, this will give minus 1. And here also you can identify it as, if we in place 1 in place of y, then 1 minus 1 will give the value of x equal to 0. So these are the two values. Over here, let us find the domain for another also, x, y. Let us take the value of y equal to 0. If we take the value of y equal to 0 over here, then 2 into 0 will become 0. 0 means this portion will be vanished. So 12 upon 3 means 3 fours are 12. So we get the value of x equal to 4. If we take the value of y equal to 6, then 2, 6, 12, and 12 minus 12 will give 0. 0 divided by 3 means 0. So these are the values of x and y in both the equations. Let us now draw the graph. So I have already drawn the graph. I have the graph containing the lines of both domain. So in the first we have the value of this is the graph of the first equation, that is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Here the value of first value of x we have 0, and the value of y is 1. So 0 and 1 means x is 0 and y is 1. So y1 is over here and x is 0. So x is 0 and y is 1. It means this point is over here, 0 and 1. It is marked by A. Next is minus 1 and 0. X is minus 1 and y is 0. So B point is denoted by the point B, minus 1 and 0. So joining these 2 points, draw the line. This is the line for first equation. Now for the second equation, we have the value of x equal to 4 and the value of y equal to 0. X is 4, y is 0. So x is 4 and y is 0 means on the positive side of the x-axis. X is 4 and y is 0. So this C point is denoting 4 and 0. Next is 0 and 6. X is 0 and y is 6. So x is 0, y is 6 over here. D denote 0 and 6. So joining these 2 points C and D, draw the line. This is the line showing the graph of the equation. Now these two are intersecting each other at which point? Here both of them are intersecting. Now what the question says, determine the coordinate of the vertices of triangle formed. Now we have to identify the triangle formed by these line and the x-axis. So first to check the x-axis. This is the x-axis and these are the two lines. So triangle is over here. So this is the triangle. Shade this triangle. We have to tell the vertices of this triangle. Vertices means point. So this is the first vertice is E, second and third. So its points we have to tell. So E, the value of x is this one. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. So 2 and 3. These are the vertices. Second coordinate B point, it is already B point, -1 and 0. And third one is C4 and 0. So vertices are vertices of triangle EBC. E, its coordinate are 2, 3. B, its coordinate are -1 and 0. C, its coordinate are 4 and 0. So this way we can find the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. Now if we have to find the area of the triangle, if it is asked find the area of triangle EBC, so we know the relation of area of triangle, it is half into base into height. So if we have to find the area over here, so this will be taken as the base. So on the right hand side of 0, how many units we have? 4. And on the left hand side 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. It means base is 5. And height, how much is the height? Height means this vertical axis, the distance of vertical axis from the x coordinate. So this is how much? 3. So this is 3. Now calculating it, will get the value 5 3 15 divided by 2. It means 2 7 14, 2 5 10, 7.5 square unit. Because there is no unit given, so we are going to write square unit. Thank you.